The Auditor General is urging the Transport Authority to review and recover some $8.6 million paid to former Managing Director Willard Hilton. The money was paid out as part of a severance package, but as uncovered by the AG, Mr. Hilton was re-employed by the company soon after, which is a breach of government of Jamaica staff orders. Jamila Maitland reports.
When former General Manager of the Transport Authority Willard Hilton received a whopping severance package of $11.5 million from the company in 2019, there was no reason for the payout. The Auditor General in her special report noted that the termination letter didn't state any either, only that a decision was made following discussions with then Board Chairman Joseph Shakir. Mr. Hilton was terminated on December 31, 2019, but by this time, he was working at the Jamaica Ultimate Tire Company. In fact, he signed a formal contract just days before on December 23. Willard Hilton, who was first employed as General Manager of Human Resources and Administration at the Transport Authority between May 2018 and July 2019, was seconded to head the Jamaica Ultimate Tire Company, where he worked until officially receiving the post. He signed off on an $11.5 million severance package from the Transport Authority. Additionally, after working at the JUTCL for a year, he was reappointed by the Transport Authority in a higher post to act as Managing Director. Why then make a separation payment to an officer only to re-engage him a year later? The Auditor General says this breaches the government's staff orders and that the money should be recovered. The authority said they paid out $8.6 million and are awaiting how to proceed. But there's more. During his second engagement, Mr. Hilton was only to act in his post for 9 months while the company found someone to fill the position, according to a board of directors meeting. The new contract he signed, however, was for 3 years. He would go on to work for 2. The AG's report said Mr. Hilton did not meet the basic qualification for the job. Additionally, the HR policies were breached when it wasn't advertised as planned. Mr. Hilton resigned from the authority in December last year. There were reports that he was forced to do so by the board. There were protests as well at the Transport Authority's offices on Maxfield Avenue from workers demanding that he withdraw his resignation. As for the board, however, they said his contract expired on December 3, 2022. Jamila Maitland, TVJ News.